it's Rini. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sublimate on a polyester drawstring bag. I ordered these bags from Amazon. I got the 10-pack for $14.99, so I'll make sure to put the brand in the description box below in case you'd like to try them out for yourself. So let's get right to the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is preheat my Easy Press to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to press the bag for 55 seconds. Now I'm using a lower temperature today because I don't want to melt the bag. You're also going to need a sheet of butcher paper that is slightly smaller than your bag. So go ahead and place that inside. So I'm really excited about this bag because I'm making it for some of my dirt bike gear and I found the perfect image. So I went ahead and purchased this dirt bike girl, and it's pink, which is my favorite color, so that's perfect. So I just added my name to the bottom of it. So I'm just going to trim across the bottom of the paper here, and that's going to help me get it lined up onto my bag. So now that I got the paper trimmed down, I'm just going to fold the paper in half. Just lining up the edge here. Looks good. I'm also going to fold it in half this way. There we go. Now I'm ready to place this onto my bag. So now that I have my lines on the bag and the lines on my paper, all I need to do is line those up. And then I'm going to secure my image in place with some heat-resistant tape. Now that I secured my image to the bag with 4 pieces of heat-resistant tape, I am placing a sheet of butcher paper over the top of my bag, and I'm going to press the bag for 55 seconds with light pressure. Let's go ahead and remove my butcher paper. Just get a pair of my tweezers here because this is hot. Now for the exciting part of the video, which is showing you how the bag turned out. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.